If you're planning to get married, you may be spending more time preparing for your wedding than preparing for your marriage. And yet, your wedding is one day and your marriage is for a lifetime. So before finalizing the flowers and the venue and the seating arrangements, start preparing for your marriage with 5 essential conversations about money, intimacy, family, roles and responsibilities, and also your hopes for the future. But there is something even more important than the topics, and that's how you have these conversations. Don't turn them into debates. Make them listen conversations, and here's how. Choose one of the 5 topics per week. Take turns to ask thoughtful listen questions. Give each other enough time to answer and really listen to each other's answers without interrupting or commenting. In other words, listen to really connect with each other. You may discover expectations that you never knew your partner had. More about Listen Conversations on our website.